Do you know that Holy Quran is the complete guidance for all human mankind? It is crucial to not only read but truly understand the Quran to enjoy a great experience in this world and the hereafter. Are you ready to start learning Quranic Arabic language? Let's start, inshallah. One humble request before we start. Al-Quran Institute is a Quranic Da'wah and educational institute. We would like to reach many others like you, so your assistance will be greatly appreciated. If you benefit from our videos, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.
Our discussion topic today is fi'l mudari, present or future tense verb. Please note, present or future tense verb or mudario is called imperfect verb and past tense verb is called perfect verb. In order to understand mudario or present future tense verb, we need to understand the past tense verb or madi chart, how this is originated. Let's look at the origin of verbs. Root letters are fa, ain, lam. And the verb which came out of fa, ain, lam is fa'ala. The meaning is he did. Yaf'alu means he does or he will. Mudario verb. So let's see how yaf'alu came out of fa'ala. Fa'ala has got three letters and ya has been added before fa'ala. So ya is a prefix on the root verb. And there is one more change at the end. Dhamma is added on the last letter. Yaf'alu. This is common and very simple. It's going to follow in almost all the verbs. We'll repeat it again and again. In the same way, nasara was the madi verb and iya as a prefix came before nasara and dhamma is added on the last letter of nasara, making it yansuru. Nasara yansuru. Fa'ala yaf'alu. The root verb in Arabic, they are in past tense, they are in masculine, and they are singular. This is rule. All the root verbs in Arabic grammar are past tense. And the past tense verb will indicate masculine gender, singular number, and third person or ghaib, someone who is not present. That's why in Arabic it's called al-ghaib. We also need to have a little idea at this stage about prefix and suffix. In this part of the lesson, our objective is to learn these two terms, what it means by prefix and what it means by suffix. So in simple way, I will just explain that to you. For example, in this slide, Arabic verb starts from a root verb, which is three-letter root verb. In this case, the root verb is nasara. Nasara means he helped. And as you know, there are 14 pronouns and accordingly there will be 14 types of different forms. Nasara is past tense verb and yansuru is the present tense verb which is derived from nasara. So nasara yansuru. Nasara is past tense madi and yansuru is present or future tense or mudari. So look at the prefix and suffixes here. Nasara, and after that you can say nasara. So there is an alif added at the end. So this alif is called suffix. Nasaru, waw alif is added at the end. So this waw alif is the suffix. Nasarat, ta with sukun at the end. So ta is the suffix here. Nasarata, ta fatha alif is added. So ta is the suffix here. Nasarna, nun fatha added. So na is the suffix here. Nasarta, ta with fatha is added. So ta is the suffix here. Nasartuma, tuma is added. So tuma is the suffix here. Nasartum, tum is the suffix here. Let's look at the second row. The first word is yansuru. But can you see from nasara, which is past tense, the present tense is yansuru. To make it present tense, there is a prefix added to nasara. So nasara has become now yansuru. So ia is the prefix. There is no suffix on this word yansuru. What happens to the next one? Yansurane. Ia is there as well, so ia is the prefix and ani is the suffix. Next, yansuruna. Ia is the prefix and una is the suffix. Tangsuru. Ta is the prefix and there is no suffix on this verb. Tangsurani. Ta is the prefix and ani is the suffix. Yansurna. Ya is the prefix and na is the suffix. Angsuru. A is the prefix and there is no suffix on it. Nangsuru. Na is the prefix and there is no suffix on it. I hope you understand these terminologies now, prefix and suffix. Inshallah, we'll talk about this more later on. Okay, let's understand this chart. On the right-hand column, there are 14 pronouns. And the second column from right has got the singular, dual, plural, and so on. Next, it identifies the masculine and feminine. And finally, on the left-hand side, the whole column has been divided into three: third person, second person, first person. So what does this tell us? Now, can you see he, they, she, they, you, you, I, we, okay? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 and then 2, total 14. But this is the easy bit. Can you notice that first 3 is 1, 2, 3. He is 1 singular, they 2 male, they 3 plus male. So 1, 2, 3. Look at the next 3. She, they. Again 1, 2, 3. First one is singular, second one is dual, and the third one is plural. Same, next 3. You. 1, 2, 3. Singular, dual, plural. And next 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 female, 2 female, 3 female. The last 2 is singular and plural. Batch of 3. 1, 2, 3. Singular, dual, plural. You will learn the Arabic verb in the same order. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 or more. Please note, in Arabic, dual and plural for first person is same. This is just a reminder of the Damir chart. It is the pronoun chart. And again, just to remind you, you have to memorize this first in order to understand past tense verb or future tense, present tense verb. So again, huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. And I know some people find it very helpful to use that damir nasheed. So if you follow that, it will be easy to memorize, inshallah.
Huwa huma hum, hiya huma hunna, huwa huma hum, hiya huma hunna, anta antuma antum, anti antuma antunna, anta antuma antum, anti antuma antunna, ana nahnu, ana nahnu, huwa huma hum, hiya huma hunna, anta antuma antum, anti antuma antunna, ana nahnu, ana nahnu.
Alhamdulillah, let's move on. This slide contains one of the most important pieces in Arabic grammar. Okay, now, interesting thing is coming. There are 14 damir. There will be 14 conjugation of the root verb. In this case, it is fa'ala yaf'alu. We shall learn the 14 conjugation of mudari'u for yaf'alu. I'll try to make it as easy as possible, and inshallah, you will be happy at the end. Mudari'u verb takes both prefix and suffix. So we will memorize the 14 conjugation of the verb yaf'alu. First slowly, then faster. Yaf'alu, yaf'alani, yaf'aluna. Taf'alu, taf'alani, yaf'alna. Taf'alu, taf'alani, taf'aluna. Taf'alina, taf'alani, taf'alna. Af'alu, naf'alu. I'll do it a bit faster. Yaf'alu, yaf'alani, yaf'aluna. Taf'alu, taf'alani, yaf'alna. Taf'alu, taf'alani, taf'aluna. Taf'alina, taf'alani, taf'alna. Af'alu, naf'alu. I shall try to do it a bit faster. Again, yaf'alu, yaf'alani, yaf'aluna. Taf'alu, taf'alani, yaf'alna. Taf'alu, taf'alani, taf'aluna. Taf'alina, taf'alani, taf'alna. Af'alu, naf'alu. The most important tip for you to memorize. You will say loudly the way I showed you, and then you have to write it down. Loudly at least 10 times, 20 times to memorize this. Then you write it down on paper at least 5 times. Then this will be out of the way, inshallah. Our next lesson topic is morphology structure of past tense verb or fi'l madi, inshallah.
One request before you go. Al-Quran Institute is a Quranic Da'wah and educational institute. We would like to reach others like you. So if you benefited from this video, please share with others, and most importantly, please subscribe our channel and like the videos. Don't forget to watch other video series on Quranic Arabic course. Barakallahu fikum. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم آمين يا رب العالمين.
سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.